Today, the move that we are going to look at is something called packages. And we've seen it before. It's actually the distributive property, which is the next standard. But we're going to look at it a little bit different way. Now, again, a gentle reminder that you do the problems for your assignments just like shown in class and in these notes. And if you have questions, please let me know. So you're going to notice the first problem. I'm going to write it down as 2 parentheses, 2x plus 1 parentheses equals 18. All right, and you're going to notice that there is the number 2 right here in front of the parentheses. What that means is we are going to take 2 of everything in the parentheses. So watch how I write this. I'm going to write 2x plus 1, that is 1 parentheses or 1 package, plus 2x plus 1. There's the second package, and that equals 18. Now what we're going to do is we're going to expand. So I've got x plus 1 plus x plus 1 equals 18. So the new step for this section is this right here, where I've got a 2 in front, so I'm going to do 2 packages. If it was a 3 in front, I'd do 3 packages. It all depends on the number in front of the parentheses. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my normal moves. I can't take away any x's. I can take away a 2 from this side and a 2 from this side. So I end up with x plus x plus x plus x equals 16. X then equals 4. When we do the check now, this is going to look a little bit different. I'm going to write the original problem. I'm going to write down what I know, and then when I take out the x, I'm going to do a little bit smaller parenthesis, and I'm going to put in what x equals, so that's 4. Now, according to order of operations, or PEMDAS, we do parentheses first and then exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So now what I notice is I've got more parentheses. And if you look at the parentheses closely, I'm going to work inside the parentheses first. Okay, and if I do that, I'm going to go 2 times 4 is 8, and I'm going to write down the other stuff. I'm still working inside the parentheses. Again, order of operations. So 2 times 9, and I end up with 18 equals 18. So then I know that x is 4. Some students will highlight as they work their problems. Feel free to do that if that helps. Let's go down to the next problem. Again, I'm going to write down the original problem. The 2 out in front means there are 2 packages of what's inside the parentheses. So x plus 4, there's 1 package, plus x plus 4, that's the second package, plus x equals x plus 12. Okay, I can subtract an x. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go minus x, draw my line. X plus 4 plus x plus 4 equals 12. I can take away 8 from each side. Draw my line. I get x plus x equals 4. So x equals 2. I'm going to go back up to the check. I'm going to write the original problem. I'm going to take out my x, and I'm going to go parentheses 2 plus 4 plus parentheses 2 equals parentheses 2 plus 12. Again, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally or PEMDAS. I'm going to work inside the parentheses first. So 2 parentheses, 2 plus 4 is 6. And then I just write down all the other stuff. Okay, I no longer can work inside the parentheses. I can multiply. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. That equals 14, and it's a check. So I know that my answer is 2. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.